Hi, my name is Nitin Suresh, and today we're going to work together to help you start and, more importantly, finish setting up an automatic investing system. What's even better is that I'll give all this information to you completely for free. Everyone is super busy with life, and honestly, no one has time to manage their investments on a weekly basis. That's why I want to help you set up an automatic investing system. I can guarantee you that if you follow my entire step-by-step guide on investing, you will rarely have to look at or do anything with your investments. All your money will automatically keep getting invested and keep growing. Before I go any further and explain how this guide and my website works, let me introduce myself a bit more. As you already know, my name is Nithalin. I was born and raised by South Asian immigrant parents in Canada. We were pretty much a regular lower middle class family. No one in my family or relatives ever invested before. I'm just very interested in money, becoming rich and stuff. I think it's because as I was growing up, our family didn't always have a lot of money. Like, we rarely go out to eat at a restaurant. We buy everything on sale and with coupons. My mom always buys clothes 2 sizes bigger just so they can last longer. So I think at a young age, I started having this goal of becoming rich and having a lot of money. And since like 14, 15, 16 years old, my biggest life goal has been to achieve financial freedom in my 20s. Obviously, this website and this guide is not about my goal, but the point I'm trying to make is that since I was so interested in making money, and I had no one in my family to help me become rich, I had to self-learn every single thing about making money and investing by myself. I literally spent every single day after school, every weekend, watching videos and reading books about investing and making money. That's how interested I was about this. One thing I realized when self-learning about investing is that it's actually very overwhelming. People who are creating investing videos make investing feel so complicated. Yeah, they love investing, so they're going to create spreadsheets and stuff, but normal people like us don't want to be staring at spreadsheets. And honestly, you don't need spreadsheets to invest. They'll create videos about how to invest step-by-step guide and then just be like, after you open an account, you want to, and you're like, wait a second, open an account? What's an account? What account should I open? And then you have to watch another video for that, and then you doubt yourself. Is this person correct? Do I have to watch more videos to make sure I know what I'm doing? This whole thing is so overwhelming. And if you've been there before, you feel like you want to completely give up on investing. I understand how you feel, so that's why I created this website. I want to give you a step-by-step process to show you exactly how to invest. I will start off with super basics like which bank you should use and show you exactly what buttons you should click to invest. To add on to that, I'll help you build a system that automatically invests your money for you. What I mean is that after you follow my step-by-step guide fully, you'll rarely have to look at your investments ever again. Your money will automatically keep getting invested and keep growing. Yes, investing is that easy. This guide and this website is completely free to use. I'm not going to get you to watch 5 videos and be like, oh, now you have to pay for the rest of the content to learn how to invest. Nothing like that. Completely free. If you follow the steps in this video and click on the links I provide, I'm going to get a referral bonus. Just like any normal refer a friend program, both you and your friend get some extra money. It's genuinely the only way I'm making money off of this website, and it allows me to keep this content completely free for you, so I would really appreciate it if you can actually use these links to open an account. So now that I've said everything I have to say, I think you're ready. How this guide works is every video is like a chapter in a textbook. It goes step by step, teaching you how to invest in the stock market. I wanted to make it less overwhelming for you, so I'd only show you one chapter at a time. Once you finish a chapter, you click on the arrow to go to the next chapter. Everything you need to do, I will tell you to do it. You just have to follow my instructions, and by the end of the guide, you'll have your automatic investing system set up. This means that you don't have to take notes or anything like that. Just listen and learn and follow my instructions. I know it's going to take some time, but let's work together and finish this today. You never have to worry about investing ever again. So let's get right into it.